Hi, this is RockinRobin, and today we're doing something a little bit different. We are making this Olaf Cocoa Kit drink from Disney, and it's a holiday drink. We're going to show you how. Stay with us. Now, this is the box that I found. I found this at Walmart, and that is what I'm going to make. It's a cocoa drink, but it's blue, and it's got a marshmallow whipped topping on top with a bunch of little extras that they put in the box. So look for this box if you want to make this drink. That's the front, and this is the back. You can cut out some of those as toys and play with them or whatever. If you have little kids, they might like that kind of thing. But that's what it looks like. So what comes in this box is the cocoa. It's enough for 12 servings. You probably won't use that many. And over here is the marshmallow mix. So that's going to be the topping. And it also comes with these little beads and these little frozen little pictures, and they are edible. So you're going to put that on top. So let's start. Let's look at the directions. Now you're going to need a half a cup of cream, 3/4 of a cup of ice, and whipping cream. Well, I used a regular Cool Whip, and I used low-fat 2% milk and ice cubes because I didn't want to have all that and make it that fattening. So first we're going to start on the chantilly cream, and we use the whipped topping and the directions, the cream mix that they gave us. And it says to beat it on high with an electric mixer, 4 to 5 minutes. I didn't have an electric mixer. I just took the two and I mixed them until they got smooth and looked like that. Now that's going to be the topping. So I put that to the side, go back to the directions. Now for the frozen cocoa, you need the blender, cream, and ice, and that's what you're going to use next. So I went and I got my blender. I put in some ice. I put in the cocoa mix. I just put in enough for 2 people. And I put in the 2% milk. Then I blended it. And I put it in where it says breaking up the ice. That kind of setting. And then once it became smooth like that, there you go. It looks nice and smooth, and it's blue. The mix is brown, but it comes out blue. So let's take a look at what it looks like once you have finished that, and there you go. Nice and smooth. Put it in your glass. Then you put the whipped topping on top and the little tiny pieces, and right there the little frozen. And these are what it looks like. Overall, it's very sweet, but it's a pretty good tasting drink. And I think the kids will absolutely love this. A great special treat for them. You can make it a little less messier than I did. So I am going to give this a B+. It was a lot of fun. It's a great drink built around Frozen, and it's great for the holidays. You know, Disney always does some cool different types of drinks and foods, and I'm going to have some other Christmassy foods for you. So this is the Olaf Frozen Cocoa Kit. Take a look. Well, this is RockinRobin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up.